4 easy steps to starting an awesome podcast. Starting your own podcast probably sounds like a Herculean project for you right now, but it doesn't have to be. In today's presentation, I'm going to show you the 4 easy steps you can follow to start your very own podcast. Step 1. Choose a topic and come up with your show's name. Your podcast is your own show. You can talk about anything and everything under the sun. But if you want to attract a specific audience, then you need to narrow down your topics. You need to define what your podcast is going to be all about. In short, what do you want to be known about? Do you want to be known as the top marketing expert in your niche? Or that funny author who publishes exclusively on Kindle? Whatever you choose, you need to be able to commit and create content consistently and keep your audience coming back for more. Step number 2. Create a plan for your podcast episodes. Podcasting is also a form of content marketing. You want to stand out from the crowd, right? Then you need to come up with a content strategy that will fit your podcast message or branding. Treat your podcast like a business. Plan everything in advance. If you're thinking of interviewing experts in your industry, then write it down in your calendar so you can reach out to them well ahead of time. Create an outline or draft of your upcoming episodes. You don't want to just wing podcast episodes. You could end up wasting a lot of time editing and re-recording episodes if you ramble off topic for far too long. Step 3. Record your podcast episodes. Now that you've got a plan for your podcast episodes, it's time to record your episodes. You're just starting out, so you will need to make sure you come across as someone that people will want to listen to. You can choose to follow an outline of your main topics, or you can read from a script. Step 4. Publish and promote your podcast. To publish your podcast, you need to select a good podcast hosting service. Libsyn is one of the more popular ones. Once you've uploaded your episodes to your host, it's time to promote your new show to your target audience.